Hey there, Matt with Rancho Suspension and Shocks. Today we're going to talk about adjustable track bars for the front and rear for the Jeep Wrangler JK. The purpose of an adjustable track bar is to center the axle with it when installing a suspension system ranging in height from 2 inches up to 6 inches. Our new track bar are made out of heavy-duty DOM tubing with forged-in construction. The outer diameter of the track bar is 1.25 inches, so it's a very beefy track bar. We're now using our new D2 bushings. This bushing has a firm inner bearing and a softer outer material that helps dampen noise, vibration, harshness while driving. The D2 bushing is grease-free too, for maintenance-free operation. Continue to follow along and we will see you out there on the trail.